Boy Mark back with another video. About to start this LS swap. Uh-oh, y'all hear it? We're about to start the LS swap on this Monte Carlo, 82 Monte Carlo. Y'all hear it? Okay, there it go. Shit. Did y'all see that motherfucker smoking? Yeah, it's been a minute, y'all. But I'm about to start the LS swap on this. The original 4.4 liter. So I don't know what size that is, but 4.4. They just say 4.4. Yeah. But we're about to start the LS swap on it. About to take it around and back to the garage here in a minute. Jumping real quick. I believe that's the flywheel knocking. I don't know. But we about to start this LS swap on this mug real quick, y'all. Had to come jump it. But y'all hear it though. I guess I fucked up, but yeah, anyway. We about to take it around to the garage. Hold on. Like I said, we about to take it around here to the garage. Oh shit, it died out on a nigga. Okay. Yeah, they're knocking. I ain't drove it in about a week. I hear that sound. Oh. Yeah, I done had the Monte Carlo shit since what, the 2nd of January this year. I just got a title for it about a month ago. I've been fighting for a title. You know, they don't be wanting to give you no title without no they don't want to give you no title without no proof of the last owner. And man, I had to go through some things for this thing, you know. Yeah, pull it on up into the lab. I cleaned it out earlier. So get, get baby on up in here. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Let me straighten her on up real quick. Yeah, but I don't know if y'all seen earlier. Yeah, that's perfect. I pulled up, cut this joint off. I don't want it to get too hot, so I can't I want to at least start today on getting, damn, I gotta roll the window down to get out. Hold on, y'all, hold on. Yeah, we gotta roll the window down to get out. As soon as I find the window, oh, here it go, right here. Yeah, this is live, unedited. Today is what, Monday the what, 6th or 7th or something like that in November. So, but yeah, like I say, we about to, oh shit, sorry about that, y'all. We about to start LS swapping this Monte Carlo. I'm about to push it up just a little bit. Just a little bit. It's still in the way of the garage though, so I'm about to push it. But other than that, like I say, got it in the lab. And cleaned my garage out. It still need to be cleaned out, but I got enough room to work to where I can start doing everything I need to do to it. Yeah, 82. Oh shit. 82 Monte Carlo with a 4.4 liter stock. About to take it up, put a 5.3 in here. Let me, yeah, y'all heard how the Monte Carlo sound. If you ain't done it already, like, comment, subscribe. But yeah, we about to, I'm about to, well, me. I'm about to LS swap the Monte Carlo. Like I say, it's an 82. Pretty clean, got it for real steel. About to LS swap this joint, 4.4 coming out. Our factory coming out. Interior pretty clean, you know. Ain't no rust in the floors or nothing that I seen. You know, it had a quarter top on there, but you know, watching my man Sprayway, I'm gonna go ahead and take that top off and go and fix this shit. I've been watching my man Sprayway. Shout out to Sprayway. But yeah. Y'all heard, let me show y'all this donor car. Like I say, I've been meaning to LS swap this thing for a minute. I just been busy getting other stuff done, you know. But we about to get this thing jumping. Hold on, let me show y'all. It ain't this white one. I done had this white one 15 years. I bought this thing 2 months after my daughter was born. She'll be 16 in April. So I've been at this thing 16 years. And I done changed everything but the actual block on this motor. I done changed. Have I changed the heads? I don't think I changed the heads yet, but hey, I done changed everything from the rear end to the transfer case to the transmission. I done had a wheel fall off of this thing. 15 years, still going strong, about 400,000 miles. But here we go right here. I got this 03 Tahoe. It's been around for a minute. Shit, I had it a few years back. Sold it to my niece. She had it. Transmission, something happened to it. It sat for a few years. And then I finally got it back from her. I was gonna fix the transmission. I bought a transmission, but it didn't. I don't know if the transmission was any good. I bought it from the salvage yard, but they gave me another one to fix it, but I said, fuck it. I went on ahead and gave the transmission back. I said, you know what? I'm about to LS swap this Monte Carlo. I've been wanting to LS swap it, and I finally got the title. But yeah, we got a 5.3 out of a 2003 out of this 2003 Tahoe. Shit, as you can see, got new spark plug wires on it because I didn't. Shit, right before I was doing the transmission, you know, I always change the spark plug wires and the oils in cars before I start driving them. So, but the transmission didn't pan out. So I said, fuck it, I'm gonna go ahead and use this motor and for the LS swap, and then just part it out. We're gonna part this Tahoe out, but we about to start this LS swap on this Monte Carlo back here. Like I say, I've been meaning to. Y'all see that Pontiac front end, baby. I ain't done with my wagon yet. Show y'all. Let me show y'all what I did to my wagon real quick. I done upgraded a little bit. Man, as y'all see, yeah, I got the blazer spindle upgrade for one. Brand new upper and lower ball joints, drilled and slided rotors. I got a new inner and outer tie rod ends. New sway bar, no, not sway bar, but new drag link for the steering. Oh, as you can see, I got Viking coilovers. Yes, sir. Got them Viking coilovers. Like I said, I just put the rims on there real quick just to see how it would look and everything. But yeah, I'm about to get back on this. I'm still putting the motor together for this, which I'll probably be doing that, finishing up on the motor sometime next week. Oh, snaps. Like I say, we're about to start doing this Monte Carlo. Get this motherfucker done. Shit, so next summer I can play around, pull up on these fools, see what they want to do. 82 Monte Carlo, about to LS swap this joint. Let me show y'all what I don't know if I showed y'all this or not, but I already did a front frame notch on this joint. It's a little dirty from sitting. When I take the motor out, I'm gonna redo it. And I did a rear frame notch on it too. One day I was just out here bored and said, forget it, you know what, let me try the frame notch, and I did it, and it came out good. First time ever, so. But yeah, this your boy Mark's Magic Touch. Like I said, if you ain't already did it, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna bring y'all some content this winter. Shit, that's what I'm gonna be doing this winter, is LS swapping this Monte Carlo, getting it done, and probably gonna LS swap a couple other projects too. But I got a 4L60 for right now. So, like I said, I got everything for the swap, the motor, headers, everything. I just got to take the time to do it. But yeah, this your boy Mark. About to get out of here, get started on this LS swap. Stay tuned. Like I said, once again, like, comment, subscribe. Tell your family, tell your friends. Hey, we gonna be at it this winter. Holla.